Welcome back to my kitchen, living egg free. Today we're going to do a Turkish pride. So last video we made a meatball pie. That was yum. But we had excess meat left over. So we added some more tomato sauce to it and we made it into a moist meat mixture. So what we're going to do is we're going to spread this across the sourdough, piece of sourdough that has been baked for 10 minutes and it's been rolled out nice and thinly. And then we're going to throw it into the oven, into a really grunty oven for 90 seconds. But if you don't have a grunty oven, just chuck it into a normal oven for 7 minutes. So we're going to spread this across, chuck it in the oven, take it out, add some Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to blowtorch it. Let's get going. Okay, so make sure all the edges are covered on the pride, otherwise the edges will burn. So now that these edges are all covered, I think it's time to put it in the oven. It's time for the best part. Blowtorching. Look at that.